Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can quote on threads. So guys, if you want to know how to quote on threads, make sure you watch to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to tap on your threads app to open it. So guys, you can see now I'm on my threads app. So guys, the next step that you have to take now is to look for the post that you actually want to quote. So what you have to do is to search through your timeline to find a post that you can quote. So let me quote this post here, this marriage between this white man and this dark lady. So guys, for you to actually quote this post, what you have to do now is to tap on the repost icon. You can see the repost icon there. The arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. Then once you tap on it, what you have to do next is to tap on quote. You can see it there. That's the second option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, as you can see now, we are almost there. What is left now is for you to add a quote, for you to add a description to this post that you want to quote. So let me add a description. This is awesome. So once you're done adding your quote or your description, what you have to do is to tap on post. You can see the arrow pointing at it. You tap on it. So let me tap on it. So guys, you can see now we are posting our quote. So guys, can see now posted. Our quote has been posted. So guys, for you to actually find this quote that you've made, what you have to do now is to tap on your threads profile icon. You can see there at the bottom right corner. So let me tap on it. So guys, now you can see the quote that we just made. This is so awesome. You can see the time just now. This is so cute. So people can actually engage with this post. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and you can attest to the fact that this is actually easy. And I know you've got value from this. If you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.